Welcome to another episode of us turning our $10 into $1,000. We're currently at $135. And if you've been following this challenge, you will know we only trade with 10% of our total balance, which is around $13. Let me quickly input that. And I'll be analyzing 1 minute chart and taking my trade on 5 minutes. So let me scan the chart for some trade and I'm going to explain. So anyone that wants to follow along can also trade along with me. So let me look for some couple of trades. I would have taken this trade because we have this descending price channel here. The price got broken strongly by this candle. But why I'm not taking this trade, because first of all, this is a very long and strong candle and it's already close to the support area. That is why I'm avoiding this trade. Although this would be a good trade opportunity because the price is going to come here and then reverse. But I think I'm going to take it because although if the price reverse back up to this place, I'm going to take the trade. Now let's just move on and look for that trade. And I've taken my first trade in the downward direction. Let me quickly explain. As you can see, we have this support area here, and I've talked about this candle. We have this in a support area. This is a candlestick reversal pattern, so I'm expecting the price to drop to either this resistance that will now become a support or down to the main support area. But let's wait and see. All right, that was a win. I don't know, I'm still having network issue. So I think I've explained this trade already. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing an opportunity here and I'm going to take it for 5 minutes. Yeah, I've taken it in upward direction for 5 minutes. This is going to be our second trade. First of all, let me quickly explain. First of all, as you can see, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. I don't need to draw it. This is our recent pullback. And I now saw this reversal pattern, candlestick reversal pattern. So I'm expecting another run in the upward direction, breaking this higher high. So I'm taking my trade in the direction of the trend. I saw a candlestick reversal pattern. So I'm expecting this is like an angle man. It's a sign of reversal in the upward direction. Let's wait and see how this trade close. Although I have 90%, I'm 90% sure this is going to be a winning trade. But the market knows best. Let's just wait and see. Now, second trade is a win. They played around. It played around a little bit, but eventually went in the upward direction. But that's why I like taking my trade like 3 to 5 minutes because the candle may play around a little bit. Or if you give it enough time to go in the direction that you predicted it's going to. Well, now let's look for our third trade for this session. I'm a bit late, but let me take this. I am super late on this trade. Super late. I should have just moved on from this trade. If I lose this trade, I'll not be mad. All right. So first of all, you can notice this is a downtrend. After that, we also have this engulfing candle, sign of reversal. Because if you remember what I said, pullback, run. This is our pullback. Then we have this engulfing, which is a candlestick reversal pattern. So I'm expecting another run in the downward direction, hopefully breaking this previous lower low. Although I should have taken my trade. Yeah, I just opened the chart and I saw it. Like I saw the trade. I should have taken my trade here. So it should have counted. This should be a third trade. But I took it so late. Why I just took this trade? Because it was a perfect example of a downtrend pullback and a candlestick reversal pattern engulfing. But let's wait and see how this trade goes. Wow, that was on a tightrope. We were down to the wire there, guys. And it's I would say if I've lost this trade, I will not be mad. Like I said, I should have taken my trade here. The moment I saw this engulfing candle, I should have taken my trade. So it should have won. I should have won it around there. But I was late on this trade, taking it by yeah, that was a risky move by me. Sometimes if you've lost the trade, just move on. Just move on. Do not force a trade. Although this is another trading opportunity because we're having an engulfing candle, another engulfing candle. Let me delete all this. So we're having another sorry. Oh, I'm trying to go. Okay, so we're having another engulfing candle in our previous lower low. So this is definitely going to be another winning trade in this downward direction. So this is a good trade, but I don't want to take it because I've already taken this one. Yeah, I don't want to take it. Let me just move on and look for other trades, another pair. But this would be a good trade and definitely going to be a winning trade. But let me just move on and go to other pairs. Okay, an uptrend. Okay, if I can see a candlestick reversal pattern should form here, I will take this trade in the upward direction because first of all, the overall trend is uptrend, although the minor trend is downtrend, but the overall trend is uptrend, and we have this support area here, but it seems like it's going to break it because this will be change of character. Now, our next support area will be somewhere here. All right, let's see. Let me see some. Okay, it seems like this market just wants to go down to this place. Perhaps I should just ride it for 5 minutes and just trust the downtrend. All right, so why am I taking this trade? First of all, I noticed this double top here, neckline got broken strongly by this candle. So this is a strong change. That's a chart reversal pattern. Let me delete all this. So that's a strong chart reversal pattern. So this shows that it wants to change from the previous uptrend, now to a downtrend because this is a reversal chart sign. Now after that, we had this pullback here, then we got another break, which they call change of character or break of structure. Let me call it a break of structure. That is a break of structure. So I'm expecting another run at least to this or resistance area. But let's wait and see how this trade close. Okay, this might be a losing trade because it's now forming a morning star in this. Oh, I was looking for that time. This is a good morning star. So perhaps it wants to change its direction. But let's wait and see. We've taken the trade already. There's nothing we can do about it. So let's just wait and see. All right, just like I feared, I knew this was going to be a losing trade. I said it that time. So this double top here has already done its work. If you're taking this double top after this neckline book, you would have won the trade. So it's already exhausted its energy here. So when it got here, we got this morning star. You can see this morning star candlestick reversal pattern, and it went up. Although I think it's going to still come down and continue this downtrend if I've given it enough time, because now it's now retracing. But anyways, our third trade would have been a loss. Let's just continue. So I'm seeing this uptrend here, and we have this descending price channel. So I'm waiting for this price channel to be broken so I can take the trade in that direction for 5 minutes. This is going to be a short trade. Okay, I think I'm going to take this. This is an evening star breaking the price channel in the downward direction. So I'm going to take this definitely for, oh, I pressed it too early. I pressed it too early. My bad. My bad. But I've taken the trade already, so there's nothing I can do about it. So I just have to wait. This is going to be our fourth trade. And this is I don't know, this is not good. But if I lose this trade, then I totally deserve it, because I shouldn't have taken that trade. I clicked it too early. I should have waited for the, yeah, now it's breaking in the upward direction. Okay, let's just wait and see. All right, that was a loss. I think I deserve this loss. It's understandable. Totally deserve this loss. First of all, I did not wait for the price channel to be broken, and secondly, it was even against the trend. So I guess I deserve that loss. Anyways, I've gotten two loss for this session. Now let's just move on and look for other trades. Though I'm seeing, okay, I'm seeing a double top here. I've gotten a neckline. Okay, I'll put an alarm here. In case of this neckline got broken, I'll take it. I'll definitely take it, and this is going to be a winning trade. Okay, I'm taking this. As you can see, double top, neckline got broken strongly by this candle. So I'm expecting a run in the downward direction. So this is going to be a change of our uptrend, because this was a minor uptrend. And I think the major trend here is down. So I'm following the major trend here. We've got this double top neckline. Let's just wait and see. And that was a win. This was a easy win. People that have been following this challenge you already know this setup by the back of their hand. This setup never, at least, it hasn't failed for me. Our next trade. So I'm taking this for 5 minutes in the upward direction. As you can see, we have this double bottom here. We have this neckline here. It got broken strongly by this candle. So I'm expecting a change of character. That means change from this downtrend to an uptrend. So I'm expecting it to, no, this is too close. So I'm expecting it to get to at least this level here. But let's wait and see how the straight close. A bit down to the wire there, but it was a win. You guys understood why I took this trade. Now let me just look for my next trade. So I want to take this in the downward direction. Let me quickly explain before the trade class. You can see this double top here. Then we have this neckline got broken strongly. So this is what we call change of character. It came up again and created a break of structure. That is why I want to take this trade in the downward direction for 5 minutes. So I've taken it now. I'm expecting a reversal from this resistance area. So that's more than enough room for a 5 minute profit. Either I want to reverse or continue the downward direction. So we have a break of change of character. Then we have a break of structure. Yeah. Sorry, this thing is a bit messy, but let's just wait and see how this trade close. Regardless, this is going to be our last trade because of this is going to be our 7th trade for this session. But let's wait and see. Whoo! So that was a win. A bit on the nose, but it was a win. So we had break of structure after we had a change of character. So this confirmed a downtrend. That was why I took it in the direction of the trend. Because like I said, you can hardly go wrong while taking your trade in the direction of the trend. Sorry. I have to end it here today. Remember to like this video and drop your comment if you have any question below. And remember, keep this in mind. If you won today, congrats, soldier. If you lost, adjust your wings and fly again tomorrow. This is Captain Whitecandle, over and out.